Are you listening? Damn.
Welcome to the final Cowboy Alley News of 2023. I'm Diego.
And I'm Race. On this week's show, we have an ASB, a new segment called Tristan Tries, and an original holiday music video.
But first, here's what's happening for Thursday, December 21st, 2023.
Tickets for the Winter Formal on January 13th are on sale now. Tickets are $20 for students without ASB and $30 for students without ASB. Guest packages are $40 for students with ASB and $60 for students without ASB. The last day to turn in a completed guest pass is Thursday, December 21st. You can purchase tickets on the Cowboy web store or at the activities window. Ticket sales end January 8th at 3:45 p.m. All ticket sales are final.
The class of 2024 is holding a toy drive from December 11th to December 21st. The toys will be donated to children in need.
If you're interested in learning about scientific research, pursuing your own research projects and passions, and writing your own research paper, join the Livermore Youth Research Group. Being a part of the group introduces you to specific research opportunities to get published and present your work and meet like-minded students. We meet every Thursday at lunch in room S11. Contact Mrs. Johnson for any questions. See you there.
Current Events Club will be hosting Hot Cocoa and Hot News. Stop by the Science Squad during the lunch on Thursday, December 21st for hot chocolate and news around the world.
Livermore poet laureate Peggy Schimmelman is conducting her Teen Poet of the Trimester contest. The theme for this trimester is doors and windows. See flyers around campus for details.
The Poetry Club meets today, Thursday, December 21st at lunch in room 410, Mr. Cappuccino's room. Come join us to read, write, and share your poetry. We also welcome fictional writers, drama writers, songwriters, and other genres. New members are always welcome.
85 years ago, on December 21st, 1938, Walt Disney released his first and oldest Disney movie, Snow White. It first aired at the Carthay Circle Theater and was released nationwide on February 8, 1938. The theater was located in Los Angeles. After it was released, the movie earned over $8 million. At one point, it was even the highest-grossing film with sound. The movie then received an Academy Award nomination for Best Musical Score in 1938 and was placed in the National Film Registry in 1989 by the Library of Congress due to its cultural, historical, and aesthetic significance. As of now, Snow White is ranked 8th on Disney's movie list. Snow White has allowed kids to realize that vanity will not take you far, but kindness will. As of now, Snow White is ranked 8th on Disney's movie list. Snow White has allowed kids to realize that vanity will not take you far, but kindness will. Snow White gave Disney the start they needed for their long-lasting fame.
I'm Diego Flores. This is Diego on the Campus 2, Christmas edition.
Diego.
On the campus. Boom. What's your name, little boy?
Luke Anderson.
Leslie.
Andrew.
CJ. Mr. Peters.
Reese's boyfriend.
Haley Gibson.
Chase.
Luke.
The Hayden Druba.
Casey.
What's your favorite part of Christmas?
Definitely seeing Santa. Getting them Santa pictures every year, it's great.
I was 7 years old. I remember my dad dressed up as Christmas, and I was like,
Your dad dressed up as Christmas?
no, as Santa. He
Dressed up as Christmas?
Right? And I thought it was real. I really thought it was Santa. And then I seen him go like this, and I see all his tattoos, bro, and I start crying. I was like, that's not Santa.
Can we be quiet in the peanut gallery over there? This is why you're on the naughty list.
Santa Claus coming to town?
Thank
Can you
you.
wrap him up for me? And put him under my tree?
Hey, can I wrap you up? Name Santa's reindeer.
Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Vixen.
Rudolph.
There is Francis, Pritzer,
Dasher.
Dancer.
Prancer.
Comet.
Vixen. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Vixen.
Blitzen.
Has to be all of them.
What is the most streamed Christmas song?
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
For Christmas is you.
Reese.
You're terrible. You don't get a prize. Who got ran over by a reindeer?
Grandma did. Come on.
Grandma. How many total gifts were given on the 12 days of Christmas?
12.
I'm gonna say 12 because there's 12 days.
12.
Wait.
7.
No, it was like.
Oh no! Wait,
25.
add them all together. Add them all together. In case you do the math, bro.
Oh, it's 10, I think.
How do you say Merry Christmas in Spanish?
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. No, yeah, Feliz Navidad.
Hey Cowboys! Welcome back to ASB Minute. I'm Claire.
I'm Marina.
I'm Vita.
Here's what's happening this week. Guys, are you going to Winter Formal?
Yeah.
Well, Winter Formal tickets are on sale, $20 with ASB and $30 without ASB.
The ticket sales end January 8th, and the actual dance is on the 13th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Hey Claire, did you know there's a rally today?
No, what's the theme?
Why not?
Make sure to be decked out.
Enjoy your winter break, Cowboys. We have a lot of things planned for the new year.
See you then.
Welcome to Tristan Tries. Today I'll be trying some intense yoga poses. Pose number 1, downward dog. Wait, can you even see me? This is it. Pose number 2, the formidable face pose. I need a partner. The safe word's pineapple.
Your legs up.
I guess. Wait,
And they're going underneath your armpits, bro.
what? Okay. I got it. Ooh. Pineapple. Yoga pose number 3, the Lord of the Pose. It's like the Fortnite emote. How long do I have to hold it? Yoga position number 4, the peacock pose. Is that what it's called? Yeah, peacock pose. It was easy.
No, not yet.
Light work, no reaction. Where's that camera go? Pose number 5, the airplane. There you go. Position number 6, the side reclining left leg pose. 3 plus 3 plus 6. Yeah, I know. No. Pineapple. Pose number 7, the kamikakuzi, or firefly. But you don't look at my legs. Pose number 8, the corkscrew. Well, no, the corpse's pose. The corpse husband pose. What is it? Thank you for watching Tristan Tries. I know I tried and failed to do yoga, but tries is in the name, not does, or succeeds at.
Hey Cowboys, welcome back to the Weather Report. I'm here with...
I'm Dominic, stand-in for the week. For Christmas week, it'll be, again, cold in the 50s and 60s.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are asking people holiday questions. As Carlos is chucking food at me,
Let's go.
I'm Carlos.
I'm Jillian.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Garen.
I'm Brianna and I'm here with
Jake.
Jason.
Violet.
Danny Jolson.
Rachel. Miriam.
Bill.
Mr. Carpenter.
Dylan.
Officer Hill.
Alex. Landon.
Terry.
Dwayne.
Courtney Lawrence.
Mrs. Pasquale.
Mr. Pasquale.
Pasquale. Where do you get Pasquale from?
That's my last name, you bozo.
Oh.
We have a question for you.
What is your favorite holiday movie?
Elf.
Santa Claus.
Elf.
Just kidding. Interchange.
Home Alone.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
One of them.
What?
I don't know.
Just say a Christmas movie.
Bro, I can't think of one. I don't know. Home Alone. Home Alone for sure.
Back at it again. Walking around the campus trying to find students.
Miracle on 34th Street.
It's got to be Christmas Vacation.
Does Harry Potter count?
The Polar Express.
Elf.
You have to Google it?
Either Bad Santa or Elf. Definitely Die Hard.
You know, I'm just gonna say Die Hard.
Die Hard.
Die Hard.
Die Hard is a Christmas movie.
You're one of those people. Okay. That's okay. You know what? Everybody's got their...
What do you mean one of those people?
All right, so Die Hard is a Christmas movie because there is Christmas music in the score, in the music within the movie, not just because it takes place at Christmas.
Hey guys,
Oh, hey.
we have a question for you.
No.
What's your favorite holiday movie?
Elf. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Elf.
Is that Diego dressed as Santa? I'm asking Catherine, who's behind the camera.
The Phineas and Ferb Christmas episode.
I love Phineas and Ferb.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
I think the worst Christmas movie to ever exist is Christmas Story. I hate it so much, and I think it needs to be banned.
All right, Morgan.
Okay, Morgan.
Also, I hate Home Alone.
No, I love Home Alone.
Sucks.
Dude, Home Alone and Santa Claus, my fave. Come on, Catherine.
Lead, please.
Bye, car. Bye, car.
Damn, Dom, I kind of like this beat, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, it's a little cold in here, though. No, a little chill. Let's get a fire started. Yeah, we don't need a fire, man. Why don't you spit some bars with people real quick? You got it. Here we go. Yeah. Let it snow. I wanna know all that it takes to not leave me here all alone. I want your warmth when it's cold. I wanna be together. I wanna grow old with you. I want your Christmas stew. I wanna roast my goose. Yeah, I could grow a couple white hairs even up here too. I know you've been with the saint. He make you feel like you ain't. He works one day of the year. Still got no time on his plate for you. Please be my baby boo. Yeah. I can feel your stocking too. Yeah. I know your pockets always red, but let me turn them blue. Yeah. I got a sleigh with the Hemi riding 90. A nice sleigh bells be ringing, but no reindeer in sight. Santa fell down the chimney, so we taking the stairs. Ain't the old man driving? He visually impaired. Damn, Chris, you really body that. Hey, let me spit some bars real quick, though. Give me a try. Sleigh ride over to my place, cause you know just where I stay. Spent this year being naughty. I heard you don't play the nice way. I know you're used to weather up north, but I promise it's better down here in the bay. I'm the guy make it feel like you're soaring. I live in your dreams every time that you lay down. On your face is a frown, cause you know there's better around. You love to smile for a camera. You hate being tied down. I mean, imagine your husband eats enough cookies to fill a whole town. I mean, I just want to be able to handle that personally, but that's just me, I guess. No, that's respectable, bro. Yeah. I'll taste it on pound for pound. He rebels like Rudolph, that boy, a clown. I'll put his wife in a gown. On the top of my head lays a golden crown. On the top of his lays the dirt from the ground. It's silent night, he won't hear a sound. He gonna end up in a lost and found. What? Shh. I'm sorry to Santa, I had no choice. Gotta steal your girl with the power of my voice. Christmas carols, they sing and rejoice, cause they know Miss Claus with your boy. I'm making a list and I'm checking it twice. Giving gifts to the naughty, not nice. With a reindeer on my left side and of course Mrs. Claus on my right. And shining armor, you know I'm polite. Run the economy, put it on flags. Kissing under some Christmas lights. We gon' have a jolly good time, yeah. I really am sorry for taking your wife. Sorry for the way that you waving goodbye. Saying Santa, have a nice life. Sick of these cubes in my cocoa. Your gingerbread made me go loco. And when you're not here, it gets so cold. That bowl full of jelly looks so old. There's too many truths in this rap. But baby, I'm not trying to yap. On top of the roof, I hear click clack. Red ruby diamonds has big racks. Let it snow. I wanna know all that it takes to not leave me here all alone. I want your warmth when it's cold. I wanna be together. I wanna grow old with you.
Damn, Chris, we really just steal Santa's girl?
Nah, bro, I'm pretty sure Santa's girl stole my heart.
Nah, bro, I stole Santa girl's heart.
Alright, bro, whatever you want to say. You just have yourself a Merry Christmas, alright?
Thank you for tuning in to Cowboy Alley News.
Remember, today's a great day to be a cowboy.
Have a good break.
Yeah, we good. I'm here with
Amr Passing.
What are you gonna be doing over winter break?
Supporting the LHS basketball team, you know?
Supporting the LHS, go do it.
I'm looking forward to seeing my family.
Playing Call of Duty.
Probably that I'm gonna become a professional DJer. So
I'm gonna build a snowman, and I'm gonna put a carrot in the nose and 2 sticks for the arms, and it's gonna be amazing.
All right, we got the Bickerton brothers and CT. What are y'all doing over winter break?
Playing Fortnite and Minecraft.
Minecraft and Fortnite. What are y'all doing?
Fortnite. Showing my friends.
It's good.
What are you guys looking forward to during winter break?
Playing Fortnite. Skiing.